the party, all that coke, not that Molly. Bad bitch named Mighty, tryna blow me like Ben Laden. Riding drop Chevys, we don't fuck with the Bugattis. Que toquen una cumbia pa' que bailen everybody. Que bailen las plebas, que bailen las morras. Bailen las flacas y bailen las gordas.
Ya llegamos. Aquí estamos listos para tomar un poquito de videos. A ver qué podemos hacer hoy. Con la pinche... la Purple Rain. O como le llamen. A la virgen no la hago. Pero no vales verga, güey. ¿Quieres empezar el vlog o qué, güey? Gotta get the vlog started, bro. I think I need to go pick up the other truck. Está molestando al Momo, I bet. I'm gonna go do that. Huh? My Tahoe.
Where you going?
Huh? I need to go pick up the Tahoe. They just finished it. Ahorita vengo. Let me bring it. Oh, he's still gonna be knocked out for a bit. Gotta go pick up my Tahoe, which is gonna get sold tomorrow. Hopefully it's sold. ¿Ya quedó? What? I went all the way to the house. I got my camera. I got everything.
I figured that's what you wanted to do in the Canada, right?
Yeah. Damn. Limpiecita, güey. Está limpiecita. La GMC. Pues qué más, güey. Que la mía no. La mía me la dejas hasta la verga, güey. But I guess she's done. She's ready to go. It's going off to the new owner. Damn, it's really clean. Yeah, the new owner's gonna love it, hopefully. Comes with the iPad y todo.
Botellas que sean de bocana. Hit a Scarface for the fucking micheladas. Walk up in the party, all that coke, not that Molly. Bad bitch named Mighty, tryna blow me like Ben Laden.
Alrighty, we're back at Regicide with this ugly purple truck. It's all dirty. Dirty as fuck. Tell y'all's boy to clean this shit. Apparently we got a Ford Bronco out here. I don't know for what. We got the slab. Alright guys, looks like Jose was out here working on this Chevy Silverado. Tuckered himself out and now he's sleeping on the window tinner's pretty much his couch. What? What up, ho? I need to figure out how to record. I'm not used to this.
That big ass camera now.
Pues estos vatos usan smaller cameras, no? They use like the little square looking ones.
These are little fucking piece of shit crappy $200 ones. Quema no quema cook.
No quema, güey. No quema. Quema aceite. I can feel the transmission giving out.
No seas mamón.
It's giving out. It doesn't want it no more. A la verga, I can't figure out this setup.
I want you to let me snort a line of cocaine on your ass cheeks. Wait. Joto el que se deja.
De ti.
Yo no soy joto.
Yo no soy. El que se deja es.
El joto es mi novio.
Tortas. Do they have jalapenos?
You need to try their fucking tacos.
They got jalapenos.
Oh yeah. 20 bucks I fall in the ditch and I get it out. And it's a two-wheel drive.
A la verga. It is, huh? Oh. Pinche Gordos Detailing.
¿Qué van a tomar, muchachos?
No, ni mola.
¿Limonada?
Igual, mismo, sí. Gracias. Took my bitch out to eat.
Oh, that's good, nigga. I don't
She's
have to
gone.
waste money.
I mean, he took me out to eat, so he's gonna pay today.
Better put on and give you some ass, too.
Kid friendly. No, ya fui a la casa a cagar, güey. Nah, I shit you not, I took Josie's Cadillac to go home and take a shit and get my camera.
Take you for a taco, dude. Mira, güey. Así te vas a ir chorreando.
The rims on the truck and they chopping like karate. Bundy in the driver's seat, Cleto riding shot.
No, vale verga. Está caro ahí, güey, no mames. ¿17?
What I got? Oh, es que la cosa que these niggas, they charge you the fucking... You know how others give you refills?
Yeah.
These niggas don't, they charge you. But the food's good, man. I like it, but just to a certain extent.
Till it's time to fucking pay.
Yeah.
A huevo. That's with everything, bro. Va a tronar el motor, güey. Ah. ¿De quién son los calzones esos, güey? No mames. It's got underwear right there. Some nice houses out here.
Qué mala verga.
Ah, fuck.
Burn more half of these tacuaches.
Y este leaves, mira, the leaves. Boy, that's crazy as fuck. Pinches huevos, güey, más que el driver.
Oh, eso sí.
Ah, fuck. Pinche loca. ¿Qué pasó, güey? ¿El escenario para la noche, güey, o qué? ¿Ahí van a ir las luces? No mames. ¿Ahí van a ir las luces? Híjole, está con madre, güey.
Y luego va a venir los invasores de Nuevo León.
Los invasores.
Simón.
Fuck, que lleguen, güey. ¿Qué onda, qué onda? El tint, window tint. ¿Dónde está? Ay, mira. Durango's window tint. Que necesita jale el vato hoy, dice.
Oh, sí.
Ya sabes que algunas veces people just fucking mistake managers and
¿Qué pasó, bro? ¿Qué pasó? Debes de trabajar tú, güey, no mames.
So he did the driver's side. Okay, let me get under there and get all dirty and shit.
Hell yeah. Well, I had to live when all the fucking tires are rustling. That was my fucking live. I think the first 4 or 5 trucks I did, con eso se pagó el pinche live.
Yeah.
Más que la rental where we're at, it's kind of small.
Yeah, I
But
seen
for
a video.
lift,
I seen a video like where que puso este Freddy where they did the lift on his truck. Y you didn't know you helped him with it también, no?
Okay, his lift kit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had did
I
it.
think I
Me
seen
and
it in
Juan
the
did
video.
his lift kit.
So what's going down in H-Town? My panties. Can't put that on YouTube. It's kid friendly, bro. Barney, say Barney. We're gonna have different cuss words, way. We can't really say much.
You can just bleep it out.
I'll bleep you.
learn how to bleep.
I'll bleep you out. Like your whole body. All right, we're doing a Polaris LS swap build. Oh, that's when you pull up with the Monte Carlo SS at the Slap Sundays. Pull out, dancing.
Time for your mind, let 'em play a come. I'm sipping on a phone and I'm jamming on this screw.
I'm too broke to not be working. For real.
I'm too broke to be getting picky. Yeah.
All right, here at Regicide, we install used parts only. Only. And got that used leaf spring, got everything, bro. Everything used.
A little bit of undercarriage cleaner.
Yeah, nomás le puro WD-40 allá atrás.
bit of WD-40.
We'll put some armor on, make it look nicer. Or transmission fluid, a ver qué.
Lo que pegue mejor.
Only the best quality used parts out there. No warranty.
Warranty through the door.
Oh yeah, once it's out the door, yeah. It's that like. Behind the scenes of El Puto con la cámara. Not me. This guy.
Died. I mean, it was just 27 seconds que me dio.
Te doy más segundos que esa pinche cámara, wey. Who's better? Damn, look at this. Let's go get a card for it. Aquí en el próximo episodio de El GoPro se chingó.
Dang.
Regicide Hosey, aka Plumber Butt.
Damn, Plumber Butt.
That's gonna be your Instagram, your YouTube channel name, Plumber Butt.
What's going on, guys? Mr. Plumber Butt here.
He's doing a video. How are you gonna end the videos?
It's like, it depends on what we're doing, right? But I think like our car shoots and all that shit that we do, like, I guess we can do like an outro intro, but I don't know.
I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog. How do I end it?
Like this. Clear my throat, nigga.
Adios, putos.
This the man right there? What up, big dude?
What is recording?
Link up, my nigga, let's link up.